If you've ever had a partner in real estate, you know that sometimes it can mean a lot of headaches. Ask anyone that's ever had a partner in real estate and they can probably testify to that. And buying out a partner in real estate can be expensive and you may not have the cash to do it. So have you ever thought about using a partner buyout loan to buy out a partner's interest in a property? A partner buyout loan is where you use a loan to buy out a partner's equity or interest in a property. This is often referred to as exchanging equity, a partner, with debt, a loan. Many banks and other traditional lenders don't offer partner buyout loans. These are extremely difficult to get if you don't already have a loan on the property. But private money lenders like me, we fund partner buyout loans all the time. This type of partner buyout loan can also be used in a situation where you have a divorce settlement, where one partner is granted a property in a divorce. Let's say there's a mortgage on that property. In order to get the other partner's name off title, the partner that was granted the property in the divorce has to refinance that loan. Otherwise, they have to sell the property. This is a perfect situation where a hard money loan can come in and fund very quickly to get the other partner's name off title. And then once the loan is in place, it is so much easier to go to a bank or other traditional lender and get a long-term loan in place and refinance the hard money loan that you used for the partner buyout. Have you been thinking about buying a partner out in a piece of property that you own? Consider using a hard money loan to do it. And if you know somebody else that's thinking about buying a partner out in a property, share this video with them. For more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.